Today we're making 68% hydrated dough. Take the BIGA you made 72 hours ago and cut it up. Place the chunks into a mixing bowl and add 306 milliliters of water. Let it mix for 15 minutes. Add 0.5 grams of yeast, a pinch of salt, and a dash of olive oil. Add 500 grams of flour and a steady stream of cold water, about 154 milliliters. Keep on mixing until it's smooth. Depending on your mixer, it could be 10 to 25 minutes. Use olive oil on your hands to avoid sticking. Once smooth, take it out of the bowl and let it rest for 15 minutes. Slap and fold for another 5 minutes and let it rest for another 15. Then afterwards, go ahead and cut that piece of dough up into 6 balls of 280 grams. Tip, keep the shiny part on top. Fold over a couple of times and roll it. Create tension so it's no longer sticky. Go ahead and place it into a container and you can keep it 24 hours or freeze for later use.